Welcome to the Zebra BI April update. It's been a very busy month. We've got a new product update. We've got a recording of a brand new webinar on time intelligence, plus a brand new report template on sales funnels. Let's see what's new.
Hi, welcome to our product development corner. We've been super busy in April working on our next release that is just about to be submitted and will include some of the long-awaited features. In Zebra BI cards, you will be able to customize the fonts, and we are also supporting a year-to-date feature for our KPIs. At the same time, in Zebra BI charts, we are introducing some improvements to our legend and some further improvements to our comment box feature. Before I head off, I have a quick tip for you. Have you tried out our recently added feature of supporting multiple plans and forecasts in your Zebra BI tables visual? It enables you to compare different plans or forecasts within the same visual so you can keep up with these fast-changing times. Nothing can surprise you if you plan ahead for multiple different scenarios and know how each turning point will affect your business.
This month, we have added a top-level sales funnel Power BI example to the list of our freely available templates. You might have seen this example in our last two webinars where we showcased it with the examples of Zebra BI cards. The template itself showcases how you can easily leverage Zebra BI with a few DAX tricks for your sales pipeline and conversion rate KPIs. And for additional drill-through examples, we've added also geographical breakdowns that you can, of course, explore. Make sure to check it out on zebrabi.com among the list of all our templates.
Another month brings another webinar. This time we expanded one of the most requested topics so far, DAX tricks and time intelligence functions. Visualizing and comparing data to show trends over time is one of the essential things we must get right when solving certain business questions, especially when dealing with forecasts or seasonal analysis. To eliminate any seasonality or fluctuations when looking at trends over time, it's crucial to show your performance compared to a rolling or a moving average, for example, for the last 12 or 13 months. What about visualizing a strategic overview, looking back, let's say, 5 years and making a rolling forecast for the next 4? Thanks to everyone who joined us live, and for all of you who missed the live event, the recording is available on our website so you can watch it whenever you have time. Since actionable reporting exploded in popularity, we created a video where we explain what that actually means and what separates a good report from a bad one. Quick hint, it's not just a single element. It's a combination of report structure and functionalities that together make a report understandable and actionable. Check it out on our website and see if your reports pass the 4-question insight test. Let us know how it goes in the comments below.
I hope that the new resources will help you on your journey towards actionable reporting. To learn more, make sure to read the full article on our website. I guess it's back to work for us now. We're working on some major updates, so see you next month.